Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up email subscription and alerts in Metabase. By the end of this video, your dashboard and questions will automatically send updates. So let's go step by step, nice and easy. First thing you need to do is to be logged in into your Metabase account. Now, once you are logged in, go here to the right corner to the settings, click on it, and then choose admin settings. If you don't have these admin settings, talk with your admin of your workspace, click on admin settings, and on the left side, go to the emails. Right here, you can name that you want to use for the sender of emails. You can set up your custom SMTP server to change like so, just pro only versions. Then you have here reply to address, and you can set up here hide recipients, disclose recipients. Like that. Once you do that, click on send test email. Once you finish with that, exit to admin and go here to your dashboard which you want to send like so. Find it. So I have one right here. Okay, so now that you choose your dashboard, go here to the sharing button right here, click on it and click on subscription. Now on the right corner will on the right side, it will open up this dashboard right here. So click email it and the email address of everyone who should receive it. So right here. You can put many people right over here, or friends or colleagues. So for that they don't need an Metabase account, so you can include everyone which you like. Here you can set how often it will send emails. You can set up here don't send if there aren't results, attach results as a file, and so on. So you can set up weekly or monthly. You can on the first, last, 15. So you can set basically on really in details which day. If you set to monthly, weekly, also the same which day, which on time, and so on. You can set time zone like so and so. So if you want, you can also attach the results files. So here you can choose between CSV and Excel. You can question to attach. Here you can leave like that it's clean as possible. And that's basically it. When you are done, you just click here on done and you have email ready to Monday at 8 a.m. Okay, now for creating data alerts. So what you need to do now is right here on the new questions. I will go like that. Example. Here we need to choose something. So I will go with this one here, for example. Now at the right corner here with three dots, click on it and you will see here create an alert. Click on that. So when do you want to check this? So we can check daily. We set time. Where do you want to send this? Here more options. And now that you set everything, um, your team will be alerted when something important happens. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.